Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. I used a hose in the toilet and fixed the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and smelling bad, you don't need a plumber. All you need is a regular hose, like the ones used for dishwashers or washing machines. Start by cutting a bottle in half using a utility knife. You only need the top part. Remove the cap and attach the top of the bottle to one end of the hose. It should fit perfectly, as they all use standard thread sizes. Secure the connection with electrical tape, wrapping it tightly a few times. Cut the other end of the hose to about 1 meter in length to make it easier to insert. Now, take your DIY tool to the bathroom. It's great for unclogging and cleaning your pipes. Insert the hose into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's in deep, hold the bottle upright and pour in 1 cup of baking soda. This has cleaning and disinfecting properties. Shake the hose a bit to move the powder down. Then pour in 1 cup of vinegar. The reaction with the baking soda will create fizzy foam. This foam cleans the pipes of limescale and buildup and pushes out the stuck grime into the toilet bowl. Watch how it bubbles and reacts at the bottom of the toilet. The chemical reaction helps eliminate the sludge causing the unpleasant odors. This method keeps your pipes in better condition for longer and saves you a plumber's fee. After removing the hose, wait for the mixture to drain completely into the toilet. Finally, flush with water and enjoy never having to pay for a plumber again. Discover the secrets of the toilet brush that you probably didn't know about. Unscrew the brush and pour some liquid into it. By cleaning the toilet, you'll immediately have a brush with a liquid that will clean the inside of the toilet bowl. But that's not the only hidden function of such a brush. There's also a brilliant reason why it's worth using such a brush to scrub the floors in the bathroom. Such a brush is perfect for this purpose. We're not talking about the toilet brush you use every day. We only use that brush for cleaning the toilet. But there's a reason why it's worth having a second brush, a new one. Such a brush with stiff bristles has another good use. Prepare a container and pour baking soda into it. Add a small amount of water. Mix the baking soda with water to create a paste. Baking soda is a slightly abrasive substance. It cleans stains, gently whitens, kills mold, and absorbs moisture. Dip the new toilet brush into the baking soda solution, apply it to the tiles, focusing on the grout lines. Begin gently scrubbing them. The baking soda will slowly start to work, dissolving dirt, stains, and killing mold if it's on the grout lines. The brush with such stiff bristles will perfectly remove all that dirt. Leave the soda on the grout lines for some time, then wipe the tiles with a cloth. After they dry, you'll notice the difference between the grout lines. You clean it with soda and the rest. You can see the difference for yourself. You can see which grout lines were dirty before cleaning and which ones are now clean. And it's all thanks to baking soda and the toilet brush. Scatter some rice in your bathroom, and I guarantee it will solve unpleasant issues. To use this method, take a tall container or jar and fill it with raw rice. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil on top to ensure a lasting fragrance. Place the container in your bathroom. Rice naturally absorbs moisture, making it an ideal solution for humid and musty-smelling spaces like bathrooms. Sprinkle your toilet with this magic powder as if you were preparing it for something special. It's a secret that will completely change the way you think about cleaning. Everyday grime and buildup will no longer be a problem. These 2 methods will get rid of them quickly and effectively. For the first method, sprinkle laundry detergent over the toilet bowl, then generously cover it with baking soda. Next, pour vinegar over the entire surface. The mixture will start to fizz, which means it's actively breaking down dirt and limescale. Grab a toilet brush, scrub thoroughly, and flush with water. Done. It's like a home spa for your toilet that also refreshes the pipes and helps prevent clogs. The second method will make yellow stains disappear as if by magic. First, blend scented beads in a blender. Then sprinkle them into the toilet bowl along with a generous amount of blue cleaning powder. Add baking soda, followed by a small amount of toothpaste. Pour in some laundry detergent. With a brush in hand, scrub well and flush. The fragrance from the beads will leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. It's a natural way to maintain a hygienic and pleasantly scented toilet. without the use of harsh chemicals. Your toilet will shine like never before. Pour coffee into the toilet, and by tomorrow it will look like new. You won't believe the results. Start by preparing a small bowl and adding 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee acts as a natural cleaner, removing stains and buildup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which effectively dissolves limescale and neutralizes bacteria. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix thoroughly. Thanks to its acetic acid content, vinegar effectively removes mineral deposits and disinfects surfaces. If the mixture seems too dry, add another tablespoon of vinegar to achieve the right consistency. Stir again until a smooth paste forms. Once ready, apply the mixture all over the toilet bowl, especially in areas prone to buildup and stains. Let it sit for 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to break down dirt and grime. Then, scrub the toilet thoroughly with a brush and flush with water. With the natural cleaning power of coffee, baking soda, and vinegar, your toilet will shine without the need for harsh chemicals. This is a simple, affordable, and eco-friendly way to keep your bathroom spotless. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. This breaks down toilet scale better than a hammer. With this cheap method, you'll get rid of it once and for all. Prepare a glass container and add 100 milliliters of dish soap, which effectively dissolves grease and dirt. Then, add 1 tablespoon of table salt, which has abrasive properties and helps break down tough deposits. Now, pour in 300 milliliters of vinegar, one of the most powerful natural cleaning agents. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients well. The combination of salt and vinegar is a real powerhouse against scale buildup. Now, transfer the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle for easier application. Thoroughly pour it over the scale in your toilet and leave it for a few hours or overnight. During this time, the mixture will work intensively, dissolving even the most stubborn deposits. Flush the toilet, and that's it. The scale disappears and your toilet looks like new. You'll never have to scrub tough stains and limescale again.